Welcome to Financify, the #1 finance news channel. Like and subscribe for more weekly content. Let's get straight into it. Robert Kiyosaki rang the alarm on an imminent market crash and urged investors to pounce on the bargains that emerge in a pair of recent tweets. All markets crashing. Real estate, stocks, gold, silver, Bitcoin, Kiyosaki tweeted after the S&P 500 slumped 3.4% and Bitcoin tanked 6% on Friday. Demand for U.S. housing has dropped off as rising interest rates drive up mortgage costs, while gold and silver prices have fallen sharply over the past couple of weeks. The Rich Dad Poor Dad author and personal finance guru noted in a tweet on Monday that he borrowed millions of dollars to buy cut-price real estate during the financial crisis. He continues to view periods when asset prices tumble as the best times to get rich. Kiyosaki diagnosed the biggest bubble in world history last summer and predicted it would be followed by the biggest crash in world history once the Federal Reserve raised interest rates to cool the U.S. economy. That crash is here, he tweeted on Monday. Millions will be wiped out, he added, urging investors not to panic and instead take advantage of the discounts on offer. The founder of the Rich Dad Company and Rich Dad Global has previously recommended buying gold, silver, and Bitcoin when their prices fall in a bid to profit from their recovery. The good news is the best time to get rich is during a crash, he declared in December. He also described the sell-off in July as the greatest sale on earth. In recent months, Kiyosaki has suggested people stockpile cans of tuna and baked beans, plus household goods such as trash bags and toilet paper, to get ahead of inflation, which soared to a 40-year high this summer. He also started talking about how there will be no more middle class anymore. Here's what he had to say. Real estate, stocks, gold, silver, Bitcoin markets are crashing. Millions will be wiped out. Kiyosaki described in a tweet Friday that every market is crashing and the middle class will be wiped out by higher oil inflation. He wrote, all markets crashing. Real estate, stocks, gold, silver, Bitcoin. The middle class will be wiped out by higher oil inflation. On Sunday, he followed up with a tweet referencing a book he published in October 2013 titled Rich Dad's Prophecy: Why the Biggest Stock Market Crash in History is Still Coming, and How You Can Prepare Yourself and Profit from It. He detailed that 2008 was a great time to get rich since everything went on sale. Noting his prediction of a bigger crash outlined in his book, the renowned author wrote, "A crash is here. Millions will be wiped out." Kiyosaki urged his 2 million Twitter followers not to be among those who get wiped out, adding that it is time for them to get richer. Last week, he explained that it's not what's in your wallet, it's what's in your head, emphasizing, change what's in your head first, then get richer. The famed author has warned about market crashes on several occasions. He recently predicted the biggest bond crash since 1788, stating that stocks and bonds are crashing. Asserting that a depression and civil unrest are coming, he further cautioned that inflation may lead to the Greater Depression. Last week, he revealed that he changed his mind about Treasury bonds after listening to economist Harry Dent. The Rich Dad Poor Dad author has been recommending investors buy gold, silver, and Bitcoin for quite some time, stressing that the US dollar is dying. In July, he said silver was the best investment value today. What do you think about the warnings by Rich Dad Poor Dad author Robert Kiyosaki? Let us know in the comments section below. We would like to mention that this is not a channel intended specifically to provide financial advice. This is merely a channel directed towards bringing educational content to your doorsteps. See you next time at the #1 finance news channel, Financify. Bye.